Am I in the shot? Hi. And I'm back. I'm back. Mankita here, once again back at you with more tool stuff. So there. Feel the excitement? Can you feel it? Can you hear the... Can you hear it? Am I just hearing things? Am I really... Have I lost it? I've lost it. And that's okay. I'm married. I don't need to find someone. I already got found, and I don't need to impress anyone anymore, so suck on that. All you Milwaukee soy boy, I don't know, just everybody. Who cares? Let me show you something. Hey there. Mankita, back once again. My pronouns are Mankita, Tool Guy, Honey Bear. Hi. I guess. Look at this. It is still, it's in its unmolested state in its packaging. This is the DeWalt 31-piece security bit set. I saw this and I had to have it because I love cases. I'd make a case for having every case if I could afford it, but I can't. So, yes. So all you people that get monetized on YouTube, I appreciate that you're better than me, but all I need is to be me. And if me doesn't get monetized, me don't care. Throw that there, pick it up later. Look at this beautiful case, yeah. It says DeWalt on it, DeWalt. From Deutschland by way of China. Can you tell from China? Oh, it's from China. You open it up, you open this beautiful thing up. It is beautiful. You get a little bit holder here, a little, yeah, you know what I'm saying. It's got, ooh, it looks like the Allen, but it's got the hole in the middle, right? The little hole, it'll poke in the middle, it'll poke in the middle. It's got what looks like the star. It's got the star with the, what is that, the Torx, the holy Torx, holy driver, right? Is that what it is? Maybe. Holy driver! The Dio, right? Is that Dio? Dio, he also did that song, relax, don't do it when you wanna go. Right, Dio? That was Dio. Yeah, it totally was. You've also got, this, you've got what looks, now look at this. This looks like some sort of turbine. It's like a Phillips. It's got a little nub on it, right? Just on the tip, okay? Just the tip's got a nub, but then it's like a Phillips type thing, right? Look at that. I don't even know what that's for, but I'm excited. I'm the right amount excited, okay? Some of these, it looks like some sort of a blurred, I don't even know what that is. That's amazing, it kind of flares out. Got a flare out, standard little flare out, flat flare out. This looks like a Phillips, but it's kind of weird. No, you know what Phillips is for? This is like a three-way. It's like a three-way. It's like a three-way in a bit. What? Whoa! I use that tip for the three-way thing. That is really cool. You know, I'm just realizing we often forget that the Phillips is a four-way, but this guy's a three-way one. That's amazing. I'm excited actually. The slotted, the flat slotted, it's got two holes, right? I love it. I've used those screws before. You've got Torx with the holy Torx, the holy driver. The best part is, it's another little case for me, which I love. You know, you can use this for other things. Let's say you get rid of all this stuff. You know what I mean? I think you can take this inner piece out, and you've got a little holding thing for mints or whatever kind of things you want to be manly on the job, not know people are using breath mints. Put it in here. Holy driver! You know what I mean? Dio. Relax. Don't do it when you wanna go. I'm excited about this case now. Let me tell you something. I was gonna make this video because I want to make content for people who are still wanting to tool it and want to tool around it or tool around the house. This is probably not something you can use around the house much unless you really want to, you know, show everybody that you know, if you want everything screwed down with security screws, which around your house, come on, that's not really a thing. But it's nice to have another case, another option. What if you do come across something that has one of these screws and you want to open it up? And you know, guys need to open things up. And if you can't, it's highly aggravating. So having every screw bit option in your arsenal is very important, even if you're not on the job anymore and you're at home and you know, self-professed handyman and weekend warrior weekend warrior around the home. You know what I mean? Just throw this in your Makita driver, put your 4-hour battery on there and go to town. Simple. It's so simple, right? So this goes on the truck because I love it. And I'm gonna put it in here with my other stuff. Check it out. There's not gonna be a link in the description. I don't have any links. Nobody pays me anything, ever. Except my wife when I ask to borrow money. But seriously, they're still making the TSTAK stuff, I believe. I think it's fantastic. Yeah, it's not the toughest stuff in the world, but I'm not hard on my stuff. I bet a lot of people out there aren't terribly abusive. I know some of the Milwaukee people probably are, but you know what? We're civilized men. We're not troglodytes. Give it a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed. It's cheaper, it's nice, it's good enough. The mounting plates are absolutely fantastic. If you're in a situation where we are at work, you take a truck, you sheet the bed, you put a bed slide underneath. On this sheet of plywood, you can screw these mounting plates. If things evenly spaced, snap them in. If I need to get something behind it, I unsnap, move it over for a second, grab what I want. I grab my backpack, grab what I need on my backpack, put it back, slide it in, snap it in. Nothing slides when I'm driving around. It's absolutely fantastic. I think everybody should do something like this. So I think your only choices at this point are the Milwaukee K or the DeWalt with the TSTAK. So if you feel you're too good for DeWalt, then screw you, because I don't think there's anything wrong with it. So tune out. Actually, nobody's probably watching this at this point. No one's watching, so I can do whatever I want at this point. So there you have it. You snap it in, you do your thing, you get on to the next thing. What could be better than that? Nothing could be better than that, really. Here you go, another single drawer, beautiful. Comes with the big black containers, BBC. I'm into the BBC, as it were. Hey, once you go black, I ain't never gonna dig my way out of that one. Gotta protect that noggin. I don't need to get any dumber. This is just basically a quick little thing about my new case. I was excited about the new case. See, it's shorter than this one. And I feel, see, when I walk up to this, I do have to have the label here. Can't really see what's in there. But with the other one, it's a little shorter. I can get more of an edge in there. I can see what's going on. You know, another thing that I could do, this is kind of a new idea here. I'm coming up with something right now. Right now, you take this. If I've got a dedicated thing I want this bin for, take a Sharpie and write it right there, what you want. Write it here. So when I peer in, why didn't I think of that before? It's a brilliant idea. It's right there. And even if I move, if let's say I want those over there in that case, I move that, I've got a label for what it is. It's not dedicated, not relegated to being what this says. It's whatever that says. I like it. Huh. All right. So there you have it. My new case. Joins the family of my cases. There you go. You know, let's talk about something. Let's talk about Ryobi's got a little system, they call it a system. And if they came out with some sort of basis for mounting the boxes on it, and I didn't have a wife or a girlfriend or any other options in my life, I'd probably go with it. But I've got a little bit of self-respect, and there'll be none of that here. So there. Hey, this yellow kind of matches. Meh. Kind of matches that DeWalt there. Is that a sign? Is it Kismet meant to be? Does Makita need to switch over to DeWalt? I don't know. Anyway, enough rambling for today. I think you probably had enough of this. Let's close this thing up and head on out. Am I in the shot? Is it right? Am I in the shot? Am I in the shot?